Hey everyone, the Lenovo Legion Pro 34 is a groundbreaking addition to the gaming monitor market, marking Lenovo's first foray into 240Hz OLED curved displays. Priced at $855 in China, this monitor is a compelling option for gamers and professionals seeking a high-performance display. Its cutting-edge features and immersive design make it a standout choice for those who demand both speed and visual fidelity. At the core of the Legion Pro 34 is a 34-inch curved ultra-sensory OLED panel with an 800R curvature and a 3440 by 1440 resolution. This design provides an expansive and immersive viewing experience, perfect for gaming and creative work. The monitor boasts a 240Hz refresh rate and an incredibly fast 0.03 milliseconds gray-to-gray response time, ensuring smooth, blur-free visuals that are essential for competitive gaming. The OLED panel delivers stunning picture quality with a 1,500,000 to 1 contrast ratio, producing deep blacks and vibrant colors without the backlight bleed often seen in traditional LCD displays. It supports a 10-bit color depth, offering 1.07 billion colors, and covers 99% of the sRGB and 98.5% of the DCI P3 color gamuts, ensuring accurate and lifelike color reproduction. With a typical brightness of 275 nits and a peak brightness of 1,300 nits, the Legion Pro 34 is well suited for both gaming and professional creative tasks, such as video editing and graphic design. This feature, combined with support for VASA Adaptive Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro technologies, ensures a tear-free and stutter-free gaming experience. Connectivity options on the Legion Pro 34 are robust, featuring HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and a USB-C port with 140-watt fast-charging capabilities. It also includes an RJ45 Ethernet port for reliable wired network connectivity and multiple USB-A ports for peripherals. A built-in KVM switch allows users to control multiple devices with a single keyboard and mouse setup, adding convenience for multitaskers and professionals. Ergonomics and user comfort have been thoughtfully considered in the design. The monitor comes with a fully adjustable pedestal that supports tilt, swivel, and height adjustments, allowing users to find their ideal viewing position. It is also compatible with a 100 by 100 millimeter VESA mount, offering flexibility for various mounting setups. To enhance the audio experience, Lenovo has integrated two 5-watt speakers with Waves Max Audio certification, delivering rich and clear sound without the need for external speakers. The Legion Pro 34 also features an AI-powered ambient light sensor that automatically adjusts brightness based on the surrounding environment, reducing eye strain during extended use. It includes eye comfort certifications and OLED burn-in prevention technology, ensuring long-term durability and a comfortable viewing experience. In addition to the monitor, Lenovo recently introduced a compact Wi-Fi 6 hotspot with gaming acceleration and a 12-hour battery life, further complementing the gaming ecosystem. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Pro 34 is a premium gaming monitor that combines cutting-edge technology, immersive design, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals alike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, have a nice day, and God bless you.